Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Flip 6. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Flip 6, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times and then select your files. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by sharing a link, click on Share a link over here and sign in. If you don't want to do that, you can use one of those connection ways instead. To input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then tap on Receive. If you wish to scan the QR code instead, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and then point your Android's camera at the code. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!